Let's learn Weekday Dreamin. It's choreographed by myself, Michelle Wright. It is a 32 count 4-wall improver level line dance. It has a restart on wall 1 after 24 counts with a step change, and restarts on walls 5 and 10 after 16 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the restarts and the ending, and then we're going to go through and dance 11 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Weekday Dreamin. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do diagonal kickball crosses. So we're going to kick our right foot forward into the right diagonal. Step your right next to your left and then cross your left over your right. We're now going to do that again. Kick your right foot into the diagonal. Step your right next to your left and cross your left over your right. We're going to rock our right foot to the right side, recover onto our left, and then we are going to weave, cross your right behind your left, step your left foot to the left side, cross your right over your left. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left doing your kickball cross. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now some styling that you can do on those kicks is you can kind of swivel your heels as you do those kicks. So when we kick, that left heel will kind of go to the left, and then as you cross, your right heel will kind of go to the right. Kick and cross. It's just a styling thing, you don't have to do it, but if you would like to add a little bit extra, it's kind of twisting your hips as you do it. It makes it a little bit cuter. Section 2, we're going to step our left foot to the left side. You're going to cross your right behind your left. We're now going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder as we shuffle forward, stepping left, forward, right together, left, forward to face 9 o'clock. Step forward with your right foot, do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 3 o'clock. And then we're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, coming back to 12 o'clock, stepping your right foot to the right side and touching your left next to your right. And then step your left foot to the left side and touch your right next to your left. This is where, when we restart, that is where you'll go back into your kickball crosses on walls 5 and 10. So let's try that with some counts. We just finished our weave. You're going to step to the left. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to step back with our right foot. You're going to point your left toe to the left side. Step back with your left, point your right toe to the right side. We're going to step back with our right and together with your left, taking weight onto your left foot. And then we're going to shuffle forward with our right, stepping right, forward, left, together, right, forward. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left doing your back point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to step forward with our left foot. You're going to do a half pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 6 o'clock. Step forward with your left, do a quarter pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 9 o'clock. When you finish this pivot, you want your body slightly open to the right. You're going to cross your left over your right, step back with your right foot, and then we're going to do a left coaster cross, stepping your left foot back, right together, and then cross your left over your right. When you do this coaster, it's going to kind of feel like you're doing it into the diagonal, and that's perfectly fine because you want to be opened into the corner to do your kickball crosses anyways. So when you cross and step back, it's okay if this kind of heads towards that left back diagonal coaster cross. And then you'll be able to start the dance over again. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your right, you're doing your pivots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. After that, you'll go back into your kickball crosses. So now let's face around. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left, you're starting with your kickball cross. Kickball cross, side rock, recover, behind side cross. Side, behind, quarter shuffle, step, half, pivot, quarter touch, side touch, back point, back together, shuffle forward, step, half, pivot, step, quarter pivot, cross, back, coaster, cross. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're doing your kickball crosses. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. Now let's talk about the restarts. Your very first restart is going to happen on wall 1. You're going to dance 24 counts, but we're going to replace that shuffle with 2 walks so that you can go back into your kickball crosses. You're going to hear it coming because it's a very obvious kind of stop in the music and then start over. So when you're doing wall 1, you're going to kind of know that it is coming, but remember that front wall, immediately you're going to have your restart. So let's dance those 24 counts with our step change. You're doing your kickball, cross, side rock, recover, behind, side cross, side, behind, quarter shuffle, step, half, pivot, quarter, touch, side, touch, back point, back together. Then you're going to do your 2 walks instead of your shuffle, right, left, and then you're going to go back into your kickball crosses for wall 2. After that, on walls 5 and 10, they're both facing 3 o'clock. You're going to dance the first 16 counts of the dance. The first time we do the restart, it's during an instrumental part. The second time, he will be singing, so you gotta kind of listen to where that restart happens, because it is kind of easy to miss until you hear it a couple times. But that same 16 counts, if you remember, both times we come to this side wall, you are going to do 16 counts and then restart. So both 3 o'clock walls are short walls, and then your very first wall is also a short wall. So let's dance those 16 counts. Weight is on your left doing your kickball cross. So it's kickball, cross, side rock, recover, behind, side cross, side, behind, quarter shuffle, step, half, pivot, quarter, touch, side, touch. Ready to go into your kickball crosses again. Now, the dance ends facing 6 o'clock on your coaster cross, so you'll finish the full 32 counts. All I did was, after my coaster cross, just unwind to 12 o'clock so that I could face the front. It's a nice, easy transition because you're already crossed over, so it'll be a nice, easy unwind over your right shoulder. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 11 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition from the restarts into their next walls. Weight is on your left. We're starting with our kickball cross. Remember, wall 1 has our first restart with your step change. So it's kickball, cross, side rock, recover, behind, side cross, side, behind, quarter shuffle, step, half, pivot, quarter, touch, side, touch, back point, back together, walk, restart, kickball, cross, side rock, recover, behind, side cross, side, behind, quarter shuffle, step, half, pivot, quarter, touch, side, touch, back point, back together, shuffle forward, half pivot, quarter pivot, cross, back, coaster, cross, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Kickball, cross, side rock, recover, behind, side cross, side, behind, quarter shuffle, step, half, pivot, quarter, touch, side, touch, back point, back together, shuffle forward, step, half, pivot, step, quarter, pivot, cross, back, coaster, cross, 16 counts, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Kickball, cross, side rock, recover, behind, side cross, side, behind, quarter shuffle, step, half, pivot, quarter, touch, side, touch, back point, back together, shuffle forward, half pivot, quarter pivot, cross, back, coaster, cross, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Kick, ball, cross, side rock, recover, behind, side cross, side, behind, quarter shuffle, step, half pivot, quarter touch, side touch, back point, back together, shuffle forward, half pivot, quarter pivot, cross, back, coaster, cross, 16 counts, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, restart, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then after this, you will dance through until the back wall, and then you will do your cross and unwind to the front. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo, so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Weekday Dreamin'. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
I got a picture I keep in my wallet, call it sentimental, whatever you call it. I just don't wanna be anywhere without your smile in a sundress under a sunset, telling you, hon, I'm a lucky son of a gun. Yeah, you got me weekday dreaming, dreaming. I can't wait for that weekend feeling. Let me take it back to last Saturday night. Boot scoot, two-stepping in the strawberry wine. Looking at me, baby, make me wanna Irish goodbye. Vamonos, adios, baby, let's ride. Giddy up in my truck like a bat out of hell. Turn the key to the suite in the Casa Motel. Gonna love you all the way to Sunday morning, and then gonna love you all over again. Let's make a dive bar out of this kitchen.